how you can save Pinterest pictures to your gallery. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first, what you'll have to do is open up your Pinterest. Now after you open your Pinterest, just search for what you want to save. Now let us go to the search bar and search. Now after you find what you like and something you want to save, just go to that photo. Now you'll see a save option right down below. If you tap on save, you'll be able to save it but on your Pinterest. Now you'll be able to just pin this picture, but you won't be able to save it in your gallery. Now to save this picture to your gallery, what you'll have to do is tap on these three dots on the top right. After you tap on the three dots on the top right, more options will be available to you. Now there you will see download image button. Tap on download image and this picture will get saved to your images on your phone. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you save a picture from Pinterest to your gallery. And that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.